In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best racing simulator. So let's get started. Number 5. Assetto Corsa. Assetto Corsa is a highly regarded racing game with a realistic force feedback feel. It's available for Xbox, PS4, and PC, but is most often played on PC, where an absolutely massive amount of fan-made downloadable content is available. The small Italian developer that made the game, Cuno's Simulazioni, also offers official DLC, including a Ferrari-themed red pack with Ferrari F1 cars and 3 different Porsche packs. In conclusion, Assetto Corsa offers a realistic driving experience along with good graphics, VR support, and an active player base, making it a near-perfect game for any sim racer. Number 4. Project Cars 2. The second installment in the hugely popular Project Cars series, Project Cars 2, takes the beautifully rendered racing simulator to the next level with even better graphics, more content, improved force feedback feel, and an absolutely massive array of racetracks. If you're a big race fan, Project Cars 2 is the game for you. It has a dizzying array of cars including real-world GT3 cars, Indy cars, rally cars, and even fun stuff like karts. It also features just about every popular racetrack in the world including Spa, Nürburgring, Monza, the Red Bull Ring, Le Mans, and so many more. Number 3. Gran Turismo Sport. While not the most realistic driving experience around, Gran Turismo Sport can still help you hone your driving skills, and best of all, it features a very active online user base with real FIA-sanctioned online racing series. Much like Project Cars 2, Gran Turismo Sport features a huge array of cars and tracks, but is perhaps lacking in real-world tracks compared to Project Cars 2. The creators of the game threw in some of their own fantasy tracks to make up for it, however, which are fun in their own right, but may not interest race fans as much as tracks like Le Mans or the Nürburgring, for example. Number 2. F1 2019. If you're a Formula 1 fan, you do not want to miss out on F1 2019. The official video game of the 2019 FIA Formula 1 World Championship, F1 2019 features all the official teams, drivers, and 21 circuits from the 2019 season. This year's title also sees the inclusion of F2, allowing players to complete the 2018 season and establish their reputation before stepping into the F1 Championship. 18 returning cars from F1 2018 join 4 new classics from 1990 and 2010 for those who purchased the Legends Edition. Those 4 classics are the 1990 Ferrari F1-90 and McLaren MP4/5B, and the 2010 Ferrari F10 and McLaren MP4-25. Number 1. Dirt Rally. Dirt Rally is a great game for the rally racing fans that are looking to get into sim racing. With a realistic force feedback system and a vast array of rally stages and cars, it's hard to critique Dirt Rally in any negative way. It may not be of interest to those only into road racing, but for rally fans, it's a must-play title. The title that succeeds it, Dirt 4, is also held in high regard, and is another must-play for rally sim racers.